Hello, fashionable musicians. Welcome back. Today's tutorial is about the key of E. The key of E has F sharp, A flat, C sharp, and E flat. Let's dive right into this tutorial. Starting with the left hand, we're going to start with our pinky on the lower E. From there, we're going to play our 5 fingers, which are E, F sharp, A flat, A, B. Third finger is going to cross over and play C sharp, E flat, and E. Again, E, F sharp, A flat, A, B, middle finger, C sharp, E flat, E. Let's go down. E, E flat, C sharp, thumb is going to cross under and play B, A flat, F sharp, E. Again, E, E flat, C sharp, thumb crosses under to play B, A flat, F sharp, and E. Now let's do the right hand. The right hand is going to start at the E next to middle C. So starting with E in our right hand, the thumb is going to play E, F sharp, A flat. From there, our thumb is going to cross under to play A, B, C sharp, E flat, E. All right, again, E, F sharp, A flat, thumb crosses under to play A, B, C sharp, E flat, E. Let's go down. The pinky is going to start back with E, E flat, C sharp, B, A. Here, our middle finger is going to cross over to play A flat, F sharp, E. Again, starting with our pinky, we play E flat, C sharp, B, A. Middle finger crosses over to play A flat, F sharp, and E. All right, let's put both hands together. Going down. And that is the key of E. for watching, fashionable musicians. See you next time.